Imagine knowing the exact liquid level readings for up to 3 compartments in your tank, instantly, reliably, and without constantly monitoring your tank level. That's what the SeeLeveL Annihilator Model 806 brings to the table. It's accurate, durable, and built to withstand the toughest conditions. The Annihilator works hand-in-hand with the 806TE sender bar and is designed for non-inflammable liquids such as water and wastewater and runs off of 12-volt DC power. You get quarter-inch resolution with no drift and no recalibration. What you see on the screen is exactly what's in the tank. And setup is straightforward. The bar mounts vertically, connects with 2 wires, and the display does the rest. The 806B is built for the outdoors, and the 806BI fits perfectly in the cab with adjustable brightness. Both run on standard 12-volt truck power and are built to take a beating. You also get 4 programmable alarms per compartment, perfect for preventing overfills, catching low levels, or shutting down a load before it becomes a problem. Plus, a rise alarm for extra safety. Once mounted, the only thing that moves is the float. No wear, no drift, no maintenance headaches. It's built for vibration, shock, and harsh conditions. And if you want remote readouts or fleet integration, add SeeLeveL Access. It feeds tank data directly to your onboard systems with multiple communication options. Your operation depends on accurate tank levels, and the SeeLeveL Annihilator isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Reliable readings, smart alarms, multi-compartment support, and hardware that's built to last. It's a level system you install once and trust every day.